Hindi nag-English.
Ha?
Nag-English naman kasamahan natin.
Nag-English sila? Yeah, because they are speaking English. Yeah, because...
Nakakahawa yung mga foreigner.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, puro kayo.
Just, I'm Yayo. Are you hungry?
We're hungry. We're so dapping.
What?
We're so dapping. I don't know
Dapping?
what's the English of dapping.
Dapping is already English?
Dapping?
What's that? What's dapping?
It's like nalipasan na ng
Ah, okay.
The hunger has passed.
The hunger has passed.
Pinahaba yung ano dapping.
Yeah, that's
It's one word.
that's great.
Pwede naman sabihin hungry lang. So.
You're starving? Starving? Starving?
Rush guard pero luwag.
Eh, may rash guard pala ako dyan.
Luwag. Luwag rush guard.
Uy, rash guard. Rash guard ba to or jacket na ano? Sweater.
Construction jacket.
Ay, grabe. Kaso wala si ano. Asan si Rose Ann?
Wala si Roseanne.
Wala si Rose Ann.
Ayun na pala yung teammate.
Oh, bro. Sige, bro. Kain ka na, bro.
Maaway ka group. Asan na si Roseanne?
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko lang joke lang. Inagaw.
Joke hindi sama si Roseanne.
Ha? Ba't di mo din na si Rose Ann?